I'm Eva. This is Cooking It Up with Eva. Today I will make an Italian coffee cake. Facts about Italy. Italy is the fifth most visited country in the world. Italy was part of ancient Greece. 3. It is home to Europe's oldest university. 4. They have a lot of football fans. 5. Italy's last king ruled only for 36 days. 6. The country is in the shape of a boot. First step is washing your hands. For a full list of directions and measurements, look in the comments below. Okay, I'm going to tell you your ingredients. So you're going to need some cinnamon, vanilla extract, 1 egg, nutmeg, and baking powder. You're going to need baking soda, buttermilk, sea salt or salt, brown sugar, vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, and some fine sugar. It's fine. Now we are going to add some sugar. Time for the brown sugar. Save some mixture for the topping because that's how we roll.
Did you say because that's how we roll?
Yeah. Okay, now you're going to add in an egg well beaten. I think it's okay, maybe? It's okay. I think I got a little messy. Add baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg, and buttermilk. Powder. Add batter to prepared 9x13 pan. It's so liquid. Add cinnamon or nuts to your reserved topping. Bake for 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe and like below. Hope to see you next time. Bye!